All right, and we're back with the 335. The other day we plugged in the battery charger and it's actually not charging at all. So we have the connection set up to positive and negative, and the cord going down to the charger. It's been plugged up for about 2 days now, and right here it should be up here and be green. So it's saying that there's barely any charge in the battery right now. The interior is going kind of nuts. So I'll show you what the interior looks or sounds like. You can hear a bunch of relays clicking. I'm hearing clicks from the glove box. You can't see it right now, but it was flashing like the red light behind the light. You could see it flashing. There's also some clicks. Oh, there it goes. You go to put the key in. Of course, since there's barely any battery, it's not going to do anything. I'll put my foot on the brake even. And nothing. Oh, actually the key now won't come out. So the key is stuck in there now. That's awesome. So here we are in the trunk. Let's get to the battery. So here we just pop this off. And you can see the battery. So the positive side of the battery is actually in that far left corner over here, right down here. It's a little small to be able to attach the lead for the battery charger. So I think it's okay to just use any of these positive leads. So I'm just going to open this one up here. And let's put the positive there. And then the negative you can squeeze on back there like that. Alright, and plugging it in. Let's see what this does. So we'll come by and check again later and see if there's any progress. Alright, we are back a couple hours later and still no progress. It's still just on that first light. And instead of using a battery charger, we are going to use a battery jump starter. It's been so long I forgot I need the clutch in. So I don't think it's actually providing any power right now. So let's turn it off and back on. I think, yeah, it's providing power when that is going on. Okay, so I only let it sit for a couple minutes longer while it's in this override mode. So let's get it turned off. We will undo the clamps, get this out of the way, and put the battery charger back on. I'm gonna let the charger sit overnight and then check it again in the morning. Okay, and we're back another day and we have good news. It looks like it worked. So let's unplug it. now that the battery seems to be good and charged, we're going to put the battery charger in the 12 volt repair mode. To do that, I hooked the clamps back up, plugged the charger in. It'll always go back and start at the lowest part and then work its way up. So we are gonna cycle to standby mode. So that's where just the power button's going, so it's not charging right now. Alright, so I think I just figured it out. You have to let it get to the 6 volt mode, release, and then press the button once more, and it'll jump to the 12 volt repair mode. So I'm gonna hold it for about 5 seconds. Okay, release, press once, and now it's blinking for 12 volt repair. The manual says that it takes up to 4 hours in this mode, and then it will just shut off and go to standby mode when it's done. So it's getting late tonight, so I'll check on it again in the morning. And we're back. It's been another couple days. The repair mode finished up. It went well, and then I came back the next morning and turned it back on just to the regular charge cycle. So now it's just going to keep the battery topped off. So that'll wrap it up for this week. We got the car charged up. We're ready to go for next time. I'll be back next week for another adventure. Until then, drive safe, and I'll see you around.